Acid reflux is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide, characterized by symptoms such as heartburn, regurgitation, and discomfort in the chest or throat. This condition occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, leading to irritation and inflammation. While many individuals turn to over-the-counter medications for relief, these solutions often come with side effects and may not address the root cause of the problem. This is where natural remedies come into play, offering a gentler and more holistic approach to managing acid reflux. In this video, we will explore the 8 best drinks that can help alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux naturally. By incorporating these beverages into your daily routine, you may find significant relief without the need for pharmaceuticals. We will discuss the benefits of each drink, how they work to soothe the digestive system, and tips on how to prepare them for maximum effectiveness. Whether you're looking for refreshing options or soothing herbal infusions, there's something for everyone. So, if you're tired of relying on medication and are seeking natural alternatives to combat acid reflux, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover these 8 specific drinks that can help you manage your symptoms effectively and improve your overall digestive health. Stay tuned as we dive into each drink and provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed choices for your well-being. Ginger tea has long been celebrated as a natural remedy for various digestive issues, including acid reflux, thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Historically, ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to alleviate nausea, bloating, and other gastrointestinal discomforts. Its active compounds, such as gingerol, help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, making it an effective option for soothing the symptoms of acid reflux. Preparing ginger tea is simple and can be done at home. Start by peeling and slicing fresh ginger root, then steeping it in boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This process extracts the beneficial compounds, resulting in a warm, soothing beverage that can help calm the stomach and reduce irritation. Many people find that sipping ginger tea after meals can provide immediate relief from discomfort, promoting better digestion and reducing the likelihood of acid reflux episodes. Additionally, when honey is added to ginger tea, it enhances the drink's soothing effects. Honey is known for its natural antibacterial properties and can help coat the esophagus, providing further relief from irritation caused by acid reflux. Moreover, honey adds a touch of sweetness, making the tea more enjoyable. Together, ginger and honey create a powerful duo that not only addresses acid reflux symptoms, but also supports overall digestive health. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can be a delicious and effective way to manage acid reflux naturally while reaping the additional benefits of honey. Aloe vera juice is renowned for its soothing properties and has gained popularity as a natural remedy for acid reflux relief. This succulent plant is packed with healing compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, making it an effective option for those suffering from acid reflux symptoms. The gel-like substance found in aloe vera contains vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote healing and can help calm the irritated lining of the esophagus. When choosing aloe vera juice, it is crucial to opt for pure organic varieties, as these are free from additives and preservatives that can diminish the juice's effectiveness. Pure aloe vera juice ensures that you receive the maximum benefits without any unwanted ingredients that could potentially aggravate your symptoms. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet is simple and can be done in various ways. You can drink it straight, typically about a quarter cup before meals, to help soothe your stomach and reduce acid production. Alternatively, you can mix aloe vera juice with other beverages, such as smoothies or herbal teas, to enhance the flavor while still reaping its benefits. Some people even add it to salad dressings or use it as a base for refreshing drinks. By making aloe vera juice a regular part of your diet, you can harness its natural healing properties to help manage acid reflux symptoms effectively and promote overall digestive health. Slippery elm tea is gaining recognition as a protective drink for the digestive tract, primarily due to its high mucilage content. Mucilage is a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the lining of the digestive system, providing a protective barrier against irritation. This unique property makes slippery elm particularly effective in alleviating symptoms associated with acid reflux, as it helps to reduce inflammation and discomfort in the esophagus and stomach. When consumed, slippery elm tea can create a soothing effect, easing the burning sensation often experienced during acid reflux episodes. The tea not only calms the digestive tract, but also promotes overall digestive health by aiding in the healing of irritated tissues. For maximum benefits, it is advisable to drink slippery elm tea at specific times throughout the day. Consuming it about 30 minutes before meals can help coat the stomach and esophagus, providing a protective layer that may prevent acid reflux symptoms from occurring. Additionally, sipping on slippery elm tea before bedtime can be beneficial, as it may help reduce nighttime discomfort and promote a more restful sleep. To prepare slippery elm tea, simply mix the powdered bark with hot water and allow it to steep for a few minutes. By incorporating slippery elm tea into your daily routine, you can harness its soothing properties to protect your digestive tract and alleviate the discomfort associated with acid reflux, ultimately enhancing your overall well-being. Chamomile tea is widely recognized for its calming effects, making it an excellent choice for those seeking relief from acid reflux symptoms. This herbal tea is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce irritation caused by acid reflux. Chamomile is also known for its ability to promote relaxation, making it a perfect remedy for individuals who experience stress, a common trigger for reflux symptoms. By calming the mind and body, chamomile tea can help mitigate the impact of stress on the digestive system, ultimately reducing the likelihood of acid reflux episodes. To effectively brew chamomile tea, start by using high-quality dried chamomile flowers or tea bags. Boil water and allow it to cool slightly, as water that is too hot can diminish the tea's beneficial properties. Pour the hot water over the chamomile flowers or tea bag in a cup and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your taste preference. For added flavor and benefits, consider adding a teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon. Drinking chamomile tea after meals or before bedtime can enhance its soothing effects, helping to ease discomfort and promote better digestion. By incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine, you can take advantage of its calming properties to manage acid reflux symptoms effectively, while also fostering a sense of relaxation and well-being. Licorice root tea is a powerful ally for digestive health, offering several benefits that can help alleviate discomfort and promote overall well-being. One of the key advantages of licorice root is its ability to stimulate mucus production in the stomach. This increased mucus acts as a protective barrier, safeguarding the stomach lining from the harsh effects of stomach acid and reducing the risk of irritation and inflammation. By enhancing the stomach's natural defenses, licorice root tea can help soothe symptoms associated with acid reflux and other digestive issues. However, it is crucial to use deglycyrrhizinated licorice, DGL, when preparing licorice root tea. DGL has had the glycyrrhizin compound removed, which can lead to elevated blood pressure and other health concerns when consumed in large amounts. By choosing DGL, you can enjoy the benefits of licorice root without the associated risks. For optimal results, it is advisable to consume licorice root tea at specific times throughout the day. Drinking it about 30 minutes before meals can help coat the stomach and provide protective benefits during digestion. Additionally, sipping on licorice root tea in the evening can promote relaxation and support digestive health overnight. To prepare the tea, steep DGL licorice root in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse. By incorporating licorice root tea into your routine, you can harness its protective properties to support your digestive health effectively. Almond milk is an excellent dairy-free alternative for managing acid reflux, primarily due to its alkaline nature, which helps neutralize stomach acid. Unlike cow's milk, which can sometimes exacerbate reflux symptoms, almond milk provides a gentler option for those sensitive to acidity. Its alkaline properties can help balance the pH levels in the stomach, reducing the likelihood of irritation and discomfort associated with acid reflux. Additionally, almond milk boasts a nutrient profile that is beneficial for individuals with lactose intolerance. It is naturally low in calories and contains healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. This makes almond milk not only a suitable alternative for those avoiding dairy, but also a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating almond milk into daily meals is simple and versatile. You can use it as a base for smoothies, blending it with fruits and vegetables for a refreshing drink. Almond milk can also be added to oatmeal or cereal, providing a creamy texture without the lactose found in traditional dairy. For those who enjoy baking, substituting almond milk for regular milk in recipes can enhance flavor while keeping dishes light and healthy. Additionally, using almond milk in soups or sauces can create a rich, creamy consistency without the added acidity of dairy. By integrating almond milk into your daily routine, you can enjoy its soothing benefits for acid reflux while also reaping its nutritional advantages. Coconut water is a refreshing beverage that offers both hydrating and alkaline properties, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage acid reflux. Its natural alkalinity helps balance stomach pH levels, which can prevent the overproduction of stomach acid that often leads to reflux symptoms. By promoting a more neutral environment in the stomach, coconut water can help alleviate discomfort and support overall digestive health. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal digestive function. Proper hydration aids in the digestion process, helps prevent constipation, and ensures that the digestive tract operates smoothly. Coconut water is not only hydrating, but also rich in electrolytes, making it an ideal choice for replenishing fluids lost during physical activity or hot weather. To enjoy the benefits of coconut water throughout the day, consider incorporating it into your daily routine in various ways. You can drink it straight from the coconut or purchase bottled coconut water for convenience. It can be enjoyed as a refreshing beverage on its own or blended into smoothies for added flavor and nutrition. For a unique twist, try using coconut water as a base for homemade salad dressings or marinades, enhancing the taste while providing hydration. Additionally, consider freezing coconut water into ice cubes to add to your favorite drinks for a cool, flavorful touch. By integrating coconut water into your diet, you can take advantage of its hydrating and alkaline properties, supporting your digestive health and overall well-being. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained popularity as a natural remedy for acid reflux, offering several surprising benefits that can help improve digestive health. One of the key ways ACV works is by helping to balance stomach pH levels. Although it is acidic in nature, when consumed, it can promote a more alkaline environment in the stomach, which may reduce the likelihood of acid reflux symptoms. Additionally, ACV can enhance digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting better nutrient absorption. However, it is essential to exercise caution when consuming apple cider vinegar, as excessive intake can lead to negative side effects such as tooth enamel erosion or throat irritation. To safely incorporate ACV into your routine, it is advisable to limit your intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. The best way to prepare and consume ACV for effectiveness is to dilute it in water. Mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water can help mitigate its acidity and make it easier on the stomach. You can also add a teaspoon of honey or a splash of lemon juice for added flavor and benefits. Drinking this mixture about 20 to 30 minutes before meals can enhance its digestive benefits and help prevent acid reflux symptoms. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine mindfully, you can harness its surprising benefits for improved digestive health while minimizing potential risks. In this video, we explored various drinks that can help manage acid reflux naturally, emphasizing the importance of opting for natural remedies over pharmaceutical solutions. We discussed how beverages like ginger tea, aloe vera juice, slippery elm tea, chamomile tea, licorice root tea, almond milk, coconut water, and apple cider vinegar can provide soothing relief and support digestive health. Each drink offers unique benefits, from reducing inflammation to balancing stomach pH, making them valuable additions to your daily routine. We encourage viewers to try these drinks and observe how they can positively impact their acid reflux symptoms. However, it's essential to consult with healthcare providers before making significant changes to your diet or relying solely on natural remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your health is paramount, and professional guidance can help ensure that you choose the best options for your individual needs. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from these natural remedies for acid reflux. Together, we can spread awareness about effective, natural solutions for digestive health and empower others to take charge of their well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future.